This is my all-new Southern cooker. It's a grill. It's a slow cooker. It's a smoker. It's an oven. And the best thing, it's lightweight, so you can take it everywhere.
Oh, we're traveling with this thing.
Everywhere. You got the grill on top. You got the heat box there.
Okay.
And then you got the slow cooker, baby.
Look at that beauty.
Look at the color on that. Juices are just coming right out of that. When you slow cook, slow and low, look at what you get. And the smell, the aroma, oh, it's unbelievable.
So we are slow cooking.
That's right.
In the same machine that we are grilling.
You can grill lunch on the top and slow cook dinner for the evening. I want you to taste this pulled pork.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Yep. You see how tender? That is good.
Delicious.
That is good.